Hi, welcome to this interior animation tutorial. We will explain the keyframe animation and introduce tips such as making a sunlight movement animation and how to turn on or off a light. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the video button in the top right corner to create a video clip. After setting the perspective you want, add the first shot on the timeline, then move forward and add another one. Click the play button to check the forward-moving take. You can continue adding perspectives as needed. D5 Render also enables a smooth transition between frames with the keyframe interval and easy ease options. For the keyframe interval, auto means auto-generated gaps, while custom allows custom time settings. We recommend auto for a one-take animation. Easy ease can help reduce the jerky starts and ends of the camera movement. We'll introduce 2 tips for keyframe animations. First, sunlight movement animation. Here we use HDRI as an example, but it works the same for the geo and sky. Go to Environment, HDRI, Sun, select Custom, and adjust the altitude. Click Update to save the changes. Then, click the second shot and adjust the altitude and azimuth again. To get a time-lapse effect, you can set the sunlight movement slightly faster than in reality. But don't go overboard or the shot will look unnatural. Click the play button and you'll see the sunlight movement completed. Second, light on or off animation. Take this pendant as an example, which has a point light inside. Please note that you cannot set artificial lights in the video mode, but only in the D5 viewport. Once you've set it up, head to the timeline and create your first keyframe with the light off. Then, navigate to the moment you want the light to turn on. A new keyframe will be added automatically. Click play to check the clip. We'll continue to update other animation skills, so stay tuned. Interior designers get abundant animated models for choice in D5 Asset Library, such as ornaments, plants, and particles. You can make an atmospheric full view or close-up take with ease in D5 Render. That completes our tutorial. We'll share more animation tips in the future. So, follow us and stay tuned.